Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file and immediately locating the Cameo element. This saves time. Click Normal View, then find the slide with the Cameo or Open Slide Master if it's a template-level Cameo. Once the Cameo box is visible, click directly on the frame so you have an active selection. This ensures subsequent commands target the right object. Make sure you're working on a local copy to avoid accidental template changes, and keep the selection pane open to confirm you've chosen the correct layer. Now remove the content. With the Cameo selected, press Delete or Cut to remove the element from the slide. If the object is a linked camera or dynamic element, right-click and choose Unlink or Convert to Image to break the live connection. This preserves layout but removes the Cameo functionality. Once done, inspect the slide master and all related layouts. Cameos often persist at the master level. If found there, delete from the master to prevent recurrence across slides. Finish by reviewing every slide and the selection pane to ensure no hidden Cameo layers remain. Save the file as a new version, then run slideshow mode to verify removal during playback. If the Cameo still appears, make sure no add-ins or plugins are re-injecting it. Disable suspicious add-ins and recheck. As a last resort, reset the slide master or clear PowerPoint's cache and restart the app. This typically resolves stubborn, cached Cameo artifacts and completes the cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.